Okay, so today I wanted to look at two different home improvement websites and how they go from traditional to the mobile platform. So the first one I'm showing you is Menards.com, which initially scrolling through you can see there's a lot of information, fits really well on the page, there's a lot of active links, that sort of thing. Then once we switch it over to mobile, it actually does a pretty good job of switching. Definitely has a long scroll range to get to the bottom, but gives you all the features. You can break it down by departments, whatever you need to help search what you're looking for. And if you switch it the other way, widens it out a little bit and definitely makes it a little bit easier to maneuver and function through the website. The second one I wanted to look at would be Home Depot. So we'll start at the full size. You can see a lot of information, a lot of active links, a lot of fancy pictures trying to draw you in to select on the links, which take you into different components of their web page. Switching over to mobile, same sort of thing, pretty good response. Definitely lines everything up, still gives you the active links. Fairly easy to scroll through and make the menu selections as needed. And once again, we'll switch it with the width size, and you can see again slightly enlarges everything, but pretty good functionality and movement throughout. So overall, I'd say both of these websites have done a good job with balancing the traditional and the mobile device applications.